now we are excited to go to Chicago, जिसकी हमने itinerary अब तक plan नहीं करी है. So I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna plan the itinerary in the plane. But yeah, actually I haven't introduced you on my vlogs. Introduce yourself to people.
I am Krishna. I am a crime partner.
Yes.
Okay, that's all. Which is for life.
Yes, true that. So let's go. हमारी plane ये नहीं है. यहाँ पे जो है वो हमारी नहीं है. हमारी गेट कहीं और है. हम यहाँ पे फोटो निकालें because look at the lighting, dude. Look at the lighting. So let's go and go to Chicago or Chicago. Dipesh. It's all because of you. I swear. Let's go. Bye.
See you soon.
It's time to board our flight. Finally हम 3 घंटे जल्दी है. Like desi parents tell you, जल्दी आओ. तो यार it's finally time to board our flight और बहुत भीड़ है. Let's go. So we just landed in Chicago and now we're going towards our baggage claim. How was the flight? Good?
It was good.
Good.
Because I only slept.
Me too. I tried to watch something but the sleep took over. So yeah, let's go explore Chicago.
Yo.
Goodness. This is our fit for the first day in Chicago.
It's not Chicago, it's
Chicago! I swear to God, this person is too much. So the first place that we are going to explore is of course the Chicago Bean, because the first is you do the most touristy thing ever. So that's what we are going to explore. We are in the Millennial Park and we are going towards Grand Park where you have the bin. So I'm very excited to see it. जब भी मैं Chicago के बारे में सोचती हूँ, it's always that. So it's going to be awesome. It's going to be super fun. Let's get to it. Look at the view behind us. It's the Sears Tower right there. It's crazy that we are on a bridge where you can see the entire skyline fucking behind you all over, and you can just sit and chill here and take great photos. I love it. It's so cool to be in Chicago. So yeah, थोड़ा detour हो गया going towards to the Bean. But अभी हम उधर ही जाएंगे. So let's go. I'm loving my fit. I love the sunglasses. It's too extra, I get it, but why not be extra in Chicago? Let's go. So we just got off the Chicago Crucible Bridge. So the speciality of this bridge is that it opens up in half when there is like some boat or a big ship or a cruise that comes by, and it is bloody cool. It is right at the canal, and then behind me you have the Trump Tower, and in front of me it's very loud. I don't know if you can hear me. You have the Chicago Tribune, which we all know is like a leading newspaper, and there's ice cream. तो आपको मेरा आवाज़ नहीं सुनाई दे रहा होगा. So as I was mentioning, it is so beautiful, and I can there's so much commotion, there's so much noise, and it's the perfect city vibe if you're looking for. आज पता नहीं क्यों इतने ज़्यादा टूरिस्ट आ गए हैं यहाँ पे. It is packed. The entire Chicago downtown area looks packed. There's some music somewhere every time. Oh, there's Museum of Ice Cream also here. So yeah, there's a lot of things that are happening and a lot of things to enjoy. So right now we are headed to Starbucks Reserve, which technically, apparently according to Google, it's like the first Starbucks Reserve that ever opened. So we are heading there to see if the menu is different, something is different. But yeah, oh, this is like Tribune Towers and it's so fancy and like olden vibes. ये गाड़ी जो मेरे साथ आ रही है हर जगह जहाँ पे मैं जा रही हूँ. So we are right now walking on the Magnificent Mile, which I, as clearly can see, is like a shopping district, like Fifth Avenue walking down, but it's much bigger. It's kind of identical to Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills that you can see. But yeah, so a lot of shopping places, everything from Sephora to Louis Vuitton, everything is here. So it's a good blend of everything if you want. And no, we are not shopping on this trip. I hope to not shop. So yeah. So we are currently at the London House rooftop, which is awesome. To be honest, one of the best rooftops I've ever been to because there's the canal and there is the canal right there behind me and I have the Trump Towers here. It's kind of crazy venue. So we are here for drinks and then we'll go grab dinner somewhere. But yeah, so let's go and enjoy. Let me show you around this gorgeous rooftop. So after the rooftop, we are now here at Chicago Deli and we are here to have our dinner. Good morning from a very sunny Chicago. I have the skyline right behind me. It is gorgeous. Right now we are at Adler's Planetarium. It's a planetarium, I'd suggest, but it literally has the most insane views of the skyline. You can come here, sit here, there's a park, you can see the Navy Pier which is right here. This is gorgeous, so gorgeous. So let's go and explore Adler's Planetarium. Yeah, we are at Adler's Planetarium. There is so much history into this and it talks a lot about the planets and like its inception, how this planetarium came to existence. It's just very, very beautiful. So let me keep showing you around and not talk much in the vlog. McDonald's restaurant. Let's go. So we are finally trying the aloo tikki burger. How excited are you?
Very much. I'm so happy that they have a global McDonald's.
We came to Chicago for aloo tikki. तो भी इंडिया से आना सस्ता ही है.
So yummy. So yummy. Thanks, McDonald's.
We also are trying onion rings, which is from Global Menu Australia. Really amazing actually. I already tried, but let me try again for you guys. Perfect. This is so good. Now we got ourselves coffee. We wanted to try some local coffee, but it was kind of impossible because कोई stores नहीं थे हमारे. So we just got La Colombe coffee to take it with us, and now we are headed to the beach. We are walking towards the beach. We are at the lakefront, and we are currently, I think, going to North Avenue Beach. It's going to be amazing. I'm so excited to experience it all. Currently, we are in the lakefront road, like a riverfront area, and now I see the beach and the skyline, and this is just fucking gorgeous. Let me show you. So we had come here ताकि हम North Avenue Beach पे जा सके, but in the end ये नहीं हो पाया because हमें beach मिला ही नहीं. So now we just went to a riverfront and वहाँ से killer drone shots आए जो आपने देखे, and that was fun. Now we have to change from this because we are going to Chicago tilt and do all of that. So wish us luck. Let's go. Going to do the Chicago tilt. Woo! And we've changed. Labda nahi, tu baka. So we've changed like fully. गाड़ी होने का जो हमने फ़ायदा उठाया है ना, इतना फ़ायदा उठाया है इसकी गाड़ी होने का. We've changed into like a whole different people. Now I can walk like this in Louis Vuitton. They will give me a bag.
Call me for tips on how to change in your car. I charge like $10 an hour.
So yeah, but first we are having coffee. Oh yeah, I care. So first impressions of the sky deck. It's kind of like, okay, to be honest,
અગાસીની પાળે આવ્યા હો ને અને આમ નીચે ધોતા હો એવું લાગે. ખાલી તમારી અગાસી થોડી વધારે પડતી ઊંચી છે.
to be honest, we're biased. We live in New York. We literally have the best observatories, decks, and observations. So can't say much, but this is good. This is good too.
I've not seen New York, but this is good. Like I like the city view. It's a concrete jungle.
So right now we are waiting for a slot for the tilt, which is the most thrilling thing. Excited for that, right? Yes. So we are at the Navy Pier and I have the Ferris wheel behind me, and there's so many other things you can explore here. There is a carousel there and this ride which I absolutely love, and I have a flashlight on myself. Oh my goodness. So yeah, we are here enjoying this. This was such a great experience. It took us 3 times. Oh my god, kids. The wheel took us around there 3 times and it was amazing. It was worth it. We actually took the city pass, and if you take the city pass in Chicago, there are a lot of things you can do for free basically. So yeah, let's go and find a good vegan Chicago deep dish pizza because that's what we crave and we really want. And look at the skyline behind me. It's gorgeous.
रावस दिख रहा है पिज्जा रावस.
What the fuck does Ravas? Oh my god, this looks. Oh ho ho.
What a
This is
pizza.
so pretty.
I know.
And look at the view that we're enjoying it in front of.
That's
Good morning. Another day, another downtown and us. Yes, so we are right now going on the Riverwalk cruises, and it starts from the Dusable Bridge, and you can park here, and of course there's siren because there's siren everywhere we go. So we are now going for a city riverwalk cruise, and this is our fit. I will show you guys in detail the fit, but I'm loving it. It's very hot today, and today is the day I decided to wear jeans.
She asked me to wait. I did not.
रास्पबेरी रास्पबेरी तूने भी रास्पबेरी पहनी लग भी रास्पबेरी रहा है
नीचे वनीला भी है.
For Joe.
Windows or brick. Or make it butter, milk, and here. They've never been tried in Chicago before. So come back next year. So, there were these two French guys in a canoe. Are you waiting for a punchline? Because there isn't one. Right down by mistake. I mean, look at that. The base is 40 feet wide. You know why they built it right there? Nothing.
So the best place to watch them? In a boat underneath them. We have a one day. Let's talk about.
We just had an amazing meal at the restaurant which is right there. It's called Sukasa. It was so good. मैं इधर तक भर चुकी हूँ. Now we are going to do some exciting stuff. We're going to kayak on the canal. Let's see. I don't know how to swim, so maybe I can or not, but let's do it.
Guess what we're about to do?
We're camping! Let's go.
This is called phone hijacking.
Yay! I am just chilling and he is, of course, doing the entire minute.
This is our Jeevan.
Passenger princess vibes, bro, when it comes to kayaking and water. Yes? When it comes to kayaking and water, passenger princess vibes totally.
Yeah. गाड़ी का वीडियो डालता हूँ मैं, रुक.
We're at the beach, finally! After so much struggle, and we just have 1 hour, so I'm just gonna put you guys on a time lapse or a video or something and just enjoy, because I'm such a water baby. We have our bikinis on. So beautiful. Like, nice. Oh, so nice. Now we have to quickly change and head to dinner. We're gonna be heading from this again in the car. To be honest, that saves so much of time, A. Secondly, you don't have to wait around for anybody. You don't have to wait for people or find parking, like find spots. It's just easier this way. And yeah, it was a fun trip in Chicago. I never thought that I would like another city and see myself living somewhere else. But if life brings me here to Chicago to live, would I mind? No, I wouldn't. I would not. I would absolutely actually like it. So yeah, it's a nice city. Now I don't know, we've come during like almost summer start, spring ending, so it was a really good time. But now I don't know post this how much I will like the winters here. But yeah, now I'm going to search for a car. Kahan hai gaadi? Over there. So yeah, it's literally the best of both worlds. I have the skyline. That's the Sears Towers. Oh, sorry, it's the Willis Tower. It's right here, and then there's a beach right there, which is where we were. So overall, a good thing. Let's go grab dinner with the family. I literally did the most accurate thing. I got a fridge magnet at the airport because I forgot to buy it, and then I couldn't find it anyway. It was good, but this one was really pretty. I'll show it to you guys. Put in a photo here. So yeah, now we are heading to our gate. We'll get coffee, but I'm on a mission to get taco salad. something that we experienced when we are flying back from, I think, Orlando. So yeah, I have to go and hunt for a taco salad. So let's go. I had to go from one terminal to another to find the popcorn and the taco salad. And I think I found the terminal. It's all from a memory. I have no fucking idea where I'm going. But I think it's this terminal. अब खाना कहाँ से लिया था? Looks so different, dude, in 1 year. So I have secured the goodies that we were looking for such a long time, and now we are finally heading to our gate, जो terminal 3 पे है, but entrance terminal 2 पे था. So I have no idea. But yeah, let's run to the gate because boarding starts in 15 minutes. This brings me towards the end of our trip to Chicago. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more travel updates because we have a trip coming soon and I'm super excited for it. I'll give you a little secret. It's a trip to an amusement park. And I've been before, but I've never vlogged it. So that's the trip I'm really excited for. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!